So, this is going to be a channeled journey for the collective divine feminines. Why this meditation has come through me for the divine feminines? Under this full moon, I'm guided to channel the meditation for the divine feminine collective because we are at a threshold. Many of us have been called to step into higher love, sacred union, and authentic self expression. Yet, old karmic patterns and illusions still linger. This transmission came through to help me clear those patterns and anchor true freedom and clarity in love. So, what are the collective patterns that are being transmuted in this meditation? Illusions in love. Falling in love with potential or fantasy instead of reality. Feeling confused by mixed signals or waiting for someone to choose you. We are no longer going to do this. Next is attachment and control. Repeating karmic loops with partners who drain or bind your energy, giving away your power to be loved. This is the most persistent pattern that I have been clearing in all the women who came to me for healing and tarot readings. Like giving away your power to be loved. Just know the right man will be secure in seeing you in your power. Next is romantic ideal versus sacred action. So most of the women often being wooed by the romantic gestures without depth or chasing emotional highs instead of grounded love. Answering the call. This is the time you need to feel the answer of your soul. You need to feel the calling of your soul. Feeling the soul call to awaken, release illusions, and align with partners who reflect your healed whole self. Relationship role versus true self. Feeling pressure to be the good partner or fit into a role instead of expressing your full authentic self. Dreams of union and purpose. Deep knowing that sacred partnership is not just romance, but a joint mission, a way to live God's calling together. So these are the patterns that is now being dissolved in the light of this full moon. This meditation is a key to help you shift from confusion and attachment to clarity and sacred union. So now close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your heart and exhale through your soul. Feel home in your body, calm your mind, relax each and every single cell and muscle of your body. Feel the radiant light of the full moon above you, a silver glow bathing your entire being. Whisper softly to yourself, under this full moon I'm seen, known and freed. Under this full moon I am seen, known and freed. Visualize a circle of luminous divine feminines all around the earth, hearts glowing, souls rising, each reclaiming her power to love truthfully and live freely. See before you 7 of Cups, each representing a dream, fantasy, or emotional entanglement that once captured your energy. Now affirm with me, I release all illusions of love that kept me small, confused, or waiting. I no longer project fantasy where truth must live. Take a deep breath in and release. Watch each of these cups dissolve into pure moonlight. You are left with only one cup, the golden chalice of truth, your soul's pure love essence. Now imagine a cord, thick and dark, connecting you to old attachments, karmic patterns, or relationships that felt binding or controlling. With a loving but firm heart, call upon your higher self and say, Beloved God, beloved Mother Moon, I now cut and dissolve all cords of control, need, obsession, or dependency. I am free, I am whole, I am mine. I invite Archangel Michael to step into this sacred space. And as Archangel Michael step in, a beam of divine light slicing through these cords with gentleness and precision. As they dissolve, feel your spine straighten up, your heart expanded. You are sovereign. From the moonlight, a beautiful golden pink light emerges. Breathe in. This pink light is filling all the gaps, all the places that were once occupied by the karmic dense energy. This is the frequency of sacred love. This light enters your heart, teaching you what love feels like when it's pure, healthy, and divinely aligned. Take a deep breath in and affirm with me, I now allow myself to be in love with the man that truly is meant for me. The one who brings out the healthiest, happiest, truest version of me. We help each other grow, build together, communicate deeply, and embody God's will in our union. Feel your heart overflowing with tender, grounded love. No fear, no chase, no control. Only peace, trust, and divine partnership. Now see a great trumpet of light sounding from the heavens, calling your soul back to its highest love, destiny. You and your divine counterpart both turn towards this light together, hand in hand, facing God. Affirm with me, our greatest dreams are safe within us and with each other. We now turn to God together and live our highest, best shared destiny. Only our divine selves guide, govern, and protect this relationship. Feel your souls align in one unified beam of golden light, merging heaven and earth through love. Be here in this moment. Feel the safety in your body. Feel the gentle assurance of love that is being given to you at this moment. Open your heart to receive it. Relax yourself in love. You deserve to receive a lot of love. Gently affirm with me. Our lives and worlds aligns perfectly with each other. There is no hassle, pressure, or compulsion. Everything flows in divine timing and harmony. I am free to love and be loved in truth. I am safe, sovereign, and blessed in love. I now embody the fullness of soul's mission, purpose, and divine union. I now embody the fullness of my soul's mission, purpose, and divine union. Breathe deeply, anchoring all this light into your heart and womb. See a radiant pink gold flame glowing there, your essence of sacred love and truth. Beloved God, Mother Moon, bless this collective of divine feminines. May each heart release illusion and step into divine clarity. May love become a mirror of truth, not projection. May sacred unions rise on earth, built on respect, freedom, and faith. So it is, and so it shall forever be. Place your hand on your heart and whisper to yourself, I am free, I am loved, I am truth, I am free, I am loved, I am truth. Take a deep, gentle breath in, and as you exhale, feel your heart expanding in peace, clarity, and divine love. Beloved ones, thank you for journeying through this full moon meditation with me. This message and energy came through as a divine transmission for all the beautiful divine feminines who are ready to rise, free from illusions, standing in love, sovereignty, and sacred partnership with themselves and with their destined one. I am Unnati, a divine feminine healer, channel, and spiritual mentor. Through Heal with Unnati, I help souls reconnect with their truest essence through tarot readings, channeled healing letters, sacred rituals, and guided courses designed to awaken love, purpose, abundance, and peace within you. If you felt this meditation resonated with your heart, you can explore my personalized healing sessions and offerings. All details and contact information are available in the description below. Until we meet again, may you walk in your divine truth, shine in your feminine light, and live your love story with grace, power, and faith. With all my love, Unnati.